Are you tired of using complicated software to design event floor plan layouts? Look no further than EventDraw, the intelligent tool that lets you create and customize event floor plans quickly and efficiently. As a venue professional, you want to delight your clients and create a memorable experience. And the key to achieving that is using software that allows you to create stunning event floor plans in moments. Here are some benefits of using event diagramming software for your events. First, it saves you time. On average, it takes only 90 seconds to create a stunning floor plan for your clients. No more need for complicated CAD software or other programs. With EventDraw, you can be more productive and create floor plans and collaborate with your clients with our Share Plan feature. A well-designed floor plan increases the enjoyment of your venue by creating the perfect flow between spaces for your clients and their guests. Plus, by rearranging tables and other elements, you can increase your event capacities by up to 30%. Second, event diagramming software helps your clients conceptualize your ideas. You can easily adjust your floor plan based on your client's requirements and create a virtual replica of your venue in stunning detail. EventDraw support venues to deliver on the promise with everyone on the project on the same plan, your client, sales, operations, AV, and delivery all working in sync. Third, event diagramming software is an excellent marketing tool. You can send your clients a photorealistic immersive 3D plan that provides a fully interactive experience. This will help your clients envision their event in your venue and win more business. And the best part? Clients can visit your space 24/7 from anywhere in the world. So, if you're looking for an ideal floor plan software with essential features that best suits the requirements of your venue, EventDraw is your go-to tool. It's user-friendly, convenient, and can help you create professional 2D and 3D event floor plans in minutes. Sign up for a trial account today at eventdraw.com.